Hi friends, welcome back to another new video. Today I am going to make fried chicken with gravy. You can cook this dish for special events at your home. Come, let's go into the video. First need to boil the chicken. For that, when boiling you need to add little bit turmeric powder and salt. Then boil the chicken first. Once chicken is done, you have to fry the chicken pieces. And here I am taking coconut oil for a pan and adding some onion, curry leaves and tomatoes. And add chicken boiled water into the mixture, and I am adding curry powder and red chili powder and give it a mix and let it boil for little time. Then I am adding some tomato sauce. With this you can add soya sauce as well. Now I am adding little salt to the gravy, but when adding salt be careful because already you have added salt when boiling the chicken pieces. After adding salt, I am adding all the chicken pieces into the gravy. Now cook it for little time. Our easy and grand chicken curry is ready. Try this recipe and do not forget to tell us how it turned out. Until the next video, have a safe time. Bye bye.